It's the national pastime. There's so much fun and concentration involved. I'd say that it's my favorite hobby. I'll read all the papers, yes, I trade all the cards. It's a game, that's all it is, baby. A game that you play if you win or lose. Baseball, it's a cultural puzzle. There's symbolic meaning in that stadium zone. I know that when it's over, it's over. Is it ever really over for a runner who never comes home? That's all it is, baby. A game that you play if you win or lose.
Coming up to bat for the Kleinberg Twins, number 33, the star shortstop, Skyler